So the biggest mistake that I see people make whenever they're starting a software business using High Level, they offer way too many things to their potential clients. In today's video, I am going to go over the most simple and most beneficial things that you can offer to businesses, whether they're local businesses around you in your local area or they're businesses all around the globe. It does not matter. You can offer this stuff right here that I'm about to show you in today's video to these businesses. And listen, I understand High Level does so many amazing things for clients. There's so many features in there. And I understand that you want to offer all of these things to clients. But the thing that I learned over the last 3 years of using High Level, the more simple your offer is, the more easier it is for potential clients to understand. Meaning that your closing rate is going to be so much higher because you're going to get more money in because you're going to be sending more clients. And the better results you're actually going to get for those clients. So the first thing that I recommend that you offer to businesses is missed call text back, and it's the most simple of them all that you can get set up. If we head over to our screen, I am inside of my High Level account and I'm over in settings. Literally, if we scroll down to our business profile and we scroll down to missed call text back, it is as simple as literally just enabling this and clicking saved missed call text settings. So how this actually works, say for example, if we were hungry and we wanted to go to some local restaurant near us, and we were on Google Maps, and let's just scroll down to this restaurant right here in Belfast called the Gasworks. Let's just say we called the Gasworks and they, for whatever reason, they didn't answer. You know, this happens in business. The phone line might be busy. The person that takes the bookings might be doing something else. There are so many reasons why business owners might not be answering their phones. So for example, if we called the Gasworks and for whatever reason they didn't pick up, instead of us then going down the list and going to the blank restaurant here, the next one down, as soon as we call the Gasworks and they don't answer, before we even get a chance to go down the list and go to the next restaurant, we're going to receive a text message from the Gasworks business right here that just says, "Hi, this is the Gasworks. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help?" You might think this is very simple and it's very self-explanatory, but this feature right here alone will drastically help your clients bring in a ton of money, because you got to think of all that missed out revenue that they're missing out on simply because they're not answering the phone, so they're going to other businesses in their local area. You're able to grab all of those leads and you're able to re-engage them again by sending out different text messages, and you can even add them to different automations where you can, you know, call them again in 5 minutes time or 10 minutes time. There are so many different ways that you can do this, meaning that there's so many different ways that your clients can generate revenue using High Level alone. Now, the next thing that I recommend you offer to businesses, which is the next easiest thing that you can get set up, is called reputation management. Now, in short, what reputation management is, you're able to help businesses get more positive Google reviews, but you're able to completely hide and internalize any negative reviews. This drastically helps your client rank higher on Google, because the thing is, they're getting a ton of more positive reviews, they're getting higher star rating reviews. So Google rewards these businesses by ranking them higher to the top without requiring any ad spend. Now, the best and the strongest part about this is all those negative reviews, you know, for example, for the restaurant, you know, the food mightn't be that good, it mightn't be that clean in there. All of those negative reviews will go directly to your client, being the business owner, so they will stay away from Google. And it's extremely simple to set up. So over here on our reputation management builder, all your clients' customers, so the people that are actually, you know, in the restaurant and they're just after paying for their food, they can come over to this link right here. We would just set up a simple QR code inside of the restaurant or inside of the hotel if it's hotels we're working with. All they need to do is fill out their name, their email, and maybe even their phone number. It will then redirect them to this page right here that says, "Would you recommend us?" And keep in mind, this is just a demo page that I do demonstrations for to potential clients. Your client's logo and their name and their colors and everything would be on here. What happens is whenever someone clicks either 4 or 5 stars here, there is a pop-up that comes up. So now what happens whenever someone clicks on the Google, for example, it will redirect that person to the restaurant's Google profile. The pop-up will already come up so they can leave the review, and all they need to do is just type out a few lines on the positive review and click submit. Next thing you know, your clients are raking in a bunch of positive Google reviews, meaning that they're organically going to start ranking higher on Google. But now let me show you how the negative review internalizer works. So if we back out of this pop-up and we click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it will redirect us to a different page. So like you just saw, it didn't bring up a pop-up, it redirected us to this page right here. On this page, we have an internal feedback form with the name, email, and the message. in that message right there at the bottom, that's where your clients' customers can leave their negative review. So that's where they can, put their complaint in there, like the food wasn't that good or the place wasn't that clean. They can leave this here, and instead of it going public on Google or any of these other platforms, it will go directly to your client, being the owner of the restaurant. Real quick guys, if you want access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you exactly how to do all of this, how to set it up, how to find clients, how you can outreach to clients, all the different things that you can offer to clients, all my website templates, my scripts, literally everything that you need to get a software business up and running using High Level. You'll also get access to a completely free extended 30-day trial to High Level. There's a completely free step-by-step course down below. All you gotta do is head down to the description and click on the first link down below, or check out the pinned comment on this YouTube video. So the next thing that I recommend you offering to your clients is the live chat that they can put on their website. So if you're not already familiar with the live chat, you probably are because you've been on websites before. On a lot of websites that you're on, in the bottom right of that website, there will be a live chat where if you have any issues or you have any questions or concerns, you can click on that live chat and you can get directly in touch with one of the team members over at that business. Inside a High Level, we can also offer this to clients. So if we head over to sites over here on the left hand side and we click on chat widget, it is literally as simple as just enabling this chat widget for your client's website. It is also extremely simple to set up. If your client's site was built using High Level, all you need to do is click on enable. But if your client's website was built on some other website builder like WordPress or Wix, all you got to do here is click on the get code button right here. It will give you a line of code. All you need to do is go over to their website. You go to the header of their website, where they have the logo and the navigation bar, and you simply just copy that code into their website. All you need to do is hit save, refresh the website, and as you can see in the bottom right of my website right here for my own software called Growth Rate, we now have a chat widget in the bottom right of the website. So if I was starting a software or a SaaS business using High Level today, those are the few features that I would offer to clients to make it as simple as possible, because everything that I just mentioned in today's video, business owners already understand, but they're not sure how to actually get it implemented for themselves. You can reach out to businesses, you can offer these things, sell these things to them, and you will have no issue selling these features for between 300 and 500 euros or pounds every single month to businesses. So if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course that goes over absolutely everything from my templates, my scripts, I already said it, then check out the first link down in the description. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Also, if you have any questions, you can either drop them down below or reach out to me over on Instagram. The link for that will also be down below. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.